beautiful morning again. Don't know if I'm gonna make a video out of the pup training thing or not, and if I did, you've already seen it or you're gonna see it, whatever. So anyhow, got my forge cleaned out a little bit, and today, since I got some beeswax, required some lately, I know y'all seen that video. Matter of fact, it's already scheduled waiting to upload right now, but I don't know. Anyways, y'all get the idea at current time. So down here, got ants crawling all over this. When I first cut it on, there was all kind of pieces of wasp nest coming out. So got that ready, and since I've had the candle stuff, I'm wanting to make a candle stand for it, but I thought it'd be interesting to forge one. So I'm going to try to take a piece of some type of plate, whether it be a saw blade or something else. I've got metal that's just been sitting around forever and a day. I need to do something with it, but let's see what we got. The less work I got to do, the better. I could beat that out flat, whatever that is. I could beat that out pretty flat too. That'd be enough. I'm not thinking so. That might be enough for what I've got in mind. And it's already got a little piece right here. Hey, I might can do something with that, but I got that issue of having that hole in the middle, which I've got an idea for that too, but let's keep looking. Those are two viable options right now. That's just too thick of a plate. Anyways, when I get through sorting through this, I'll come back with what I came up with. Also, I found an old knife my buddy was trying to make years ago. Then forgot it was in here and everything. But anyways, okay, for real this time, back when I actually find something I'm going to use. Alright, we got something, everybody. It's used to be an old saw blade, in case you couldn't tell. I don't know if it was used for like some type of big bandsaw or something, somewhere to sawmill. I don't know. It sure enough wasn't pruning trees with it, okay? I know that much. But a guy down the road gave this to me. I thought he might was going to get into blacksmithing or something like that, and you know, man can only have so many hobbies. So in other words, I'm thankful for that guy for providing me with this, because I'm actually fixing to use it right now.
You gonna tell him what you did?
Huh?
You gonna tell him what you did? He done messed up, y'all. Oh yeah.
Not all is what it appears.
Oh yeah. It's up in there.
Look, I told her I wasn't gonna get her any more sugar for the day. I wasn't getting no more Oreos, and she come out here and tried to burn my forge down. Now that's what happened. And I said you gotta have some control, and she tried to have a controlled burn. So I done what I could. If you want an up close, now's your only time.
I'm just saying, I don't think you should be trusted with the candle that you're attempting to make.
Don't slip. No, I'm just kidding.
Do that. I do not have the balance for that right now. Also, there was a puppy under me.
There was. So anyways, I guess an amber actually come off of that. So, yeah.
And how many hours has it been since you checked it?
Not enough to burn it all the way down, and that's what's important. So, the thing is, I don't know how holler that is.
Pretty bad. Puppy, you might not want to be nearby. Like, that goes up in there.
Yeah.
Like, you can see where the smoke's coming out from the top.
I'm gonna get some more water.
Yeah. Probably the smart thing to do.
Beef, all right, everybody's on YouTube. You gonna talk to them? Hey. Hey? Well, you can. You want to hold the camera while I'm recording this? Here you go. Try it out, baby. Okay, now see the screen?
Yep.
See my finger? Okay, now put this, see what I'm doing right here? Can you zoom in right here and look at this?
Maybe.
Oh, you gotta get your fingers out from the screen. There you go. There you go. Like you can't be seeing your fingers in it. Okay. You wanna come in here and watch?
Yeah.
Now get up close to this where people can see what I'm doing. You wanna try that out? Now you gotta hold real still, baby. Okay? So, son of a gun, I want to make a punch. I'm gonna have to heat this up and punch this out. Son of a gun. You know, even with the fact that it rained, that's still fairly dry. You hear that, pup? We got charcoal still. We got charcoal. We got this. And that's where we're at right now. Got a little bit cracky a few times, so I had to get it like forge welding temperature, so I had to get it like really bright, sparkling yellow, and just barely tap it to shut that end back together. But it's been quenched, it's hardened. I don't know if you heard it when it was on the grinder in there. It's real pingy, real hard. Y'all know what that's like. So anyways, now the concept is I need to temper this. It's been hardened, but it's still a little bit brittle. So I need to temper it. I can do it in the oven. I can do it many different ways. You can do it straight out of a fire, but you're constantly gonna be bringing it back and taking a file and scraping it, trying to be able to see the color. That's why I ground it so that bare metal is showing, not all this rusty stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a big piece of metal in there and let that metal get hot. That way it keeps all the ash and all the char from touching this metal, obstructing what I need to see. So I'm gonna let it get hot, and I'm gonna set this on top of it and let the heat transfer. The way I'm only watching the color change. You're gonna see all that purple and blue, and you're finally gonna see that straw color. When the end of it gets a straw color, that's when I'm gonna quench it and it's done. It's tempered, it's hardened, and it's ready to be a punch. The only thing could have made it just a little bit better is if y'all noticed when I was hitting that hammer, I was hitting down and out. What it does, it takes that metal at the end and kind of morphs it forwards, and it makes like it takes all that metal, or just only around the edges, and brings it forwards in that cylinder like that. And what that ends up doing, basically like making a biscuit cutter or cookie cutter. It's got all them sharp edges all the way around the edge of it. That'll help it bite better, make a better circle, as opposed to just taking metal and moving it out of the way. It'll actually cut it. So that's kind of where we're at right now. But as small as it is, and it ain't really gonna matter when I finally do what I'm gonna do. Y'all see, just hang in there. But let's get this thing tempered. looking for. Alrighty, that's where we're at right now. I'm just gonna heat up the rivet, get it knocked in, get it flattened out, all that good stuff. It's gonna look like crap, I got a feeling. We're gonna do that, then we're gonna heat everything up and just mash it all together right. I told you it's gonna look like crap, but here we go. Now we gotta warm the whole thing up. I also got 5% battery, that's why I'm getting short with you, but here we go. Alrighty, and we got the finished product right here. Now, I took it and I seasoned it with beeswax and accidentally put a crack in it. I was trying to beat this part back out flat while it was still hard, and like I said, it wouldn't heat it up, and it was somewhat cool, and that caused a crack right there. But you know what, that's a little bit extra character, and my buddy's getting it for free, so it really don't matter. You can see, and also that was kind of loose. It's tight now, but I had to go back with that punch and kind of hit in the middle there to swell out that rivet, but either way. And then I put that plate back on here. I heated this up without getting the char on it, and I got it hot enough where I could take this beeswax right here. You can see all where I was handling it with them dirty gloves, and I put it all over this, and I seasoned the pan or whatever, so hopefully it ain't gonna rust near as much now. But either way, that's pretty much done. The only thing I'm going to do is come back later and put a little nail right in the middle sticking up. One that's just a little bit too big that'll wedge in there. Or I'll just make another one, whatever. But either way, I'm going to put a little spike sticking up, something other for the candle that's going to stick on it. Speaking of which, one of the near videos in the future is going to be me making a candle for this thing. So either way, stay tuned for that. And there's the finished product, everybody. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video.